For many women in Nigeria, finding a place to rent can be an uphill battle. It is no secret the Nigerian rental industry is plagued with inequities and unjust policies skewed against women that prevents them from getting the desired home.
Hi, my name is Omolara. One thing that stuck out to me while trying to rent in Lagos as a single lady was the fact that I was convinced to go for a smaller apartment because they could not understand why a single lady needed a two-bedroom flat.
The rental process from payment to getting the keys was faster and efficient when there was a male figure involved.
Hi, my name is Rukayat. One thing that stuck out for me while my sister and I were in search of apartments in Lagos was landlords and agents always asking us questions like, why are you not married? Why are you single?
Are you married? Do you have a kid? And what do you need a spacious apartment for when you are not married?
The first question they usually ask is, oh, do you have a child? And if you answer them and say, yes, I have a child, and the next question that follows is always, are you married or you're a single mother? If you say you're a single mother, their countenance will change. You already know that they're not giving me this house.
So I ended up with a three-bedroom apartment, but I had to bring my ex at the time to stand in for me, and we had to pretend like we were married. And even on the receipt had his name, even though I was the one that made the transfer.
Okay, so we had to lie. We had to lie that she's married, that our husband is not around, that he's working in the US. After which we were asked to provide documents to prove that he wasn't in Nigeria and he's working in the US for real. It was after that we were now allowed to pay for the apartment.
Female rental discrimination is a continuous problem in Nigeria that's happened to 4 out of 5 women that I've spoken to. As a woman, I want to be able to get an apartment that I want and desire and can afford without facing any discrimination.
We understand that female renters face a unique challenge when it comes to renting, which is why we have designed a platform that is inclusive. Our flagship product, Spleet Marketplace, allows anyone, irrespective of their gender, to find a space that meets their expectations and pay their rent flexibly. Diversity is key to our success, and we are proud to announce that 40% of our current members are women. We are working to increase that number by building a company that includes women. 41% of our staff strength are hardworking, brilliant women because we believe that including women in our team will help us better understand the unique challenges that female renters face today and design solutions to address those challenges. As we celebrate International Women's Day, we want to reiterate our commitment to making renting more accessible for everyone, irrespective of their gender. We believe that by working together, we can create a world where everyone has access to equal and safe, affordable housing. Happy International Women's Day.